Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to show you this new tool. I'm going to be using a coaster, a real one that I bought at Marshall's to create another coaster. So this is the one I created with the Glowforge. We're going to be using the trace feature from our Glowforge. This cost me $6.99, guys. You can see there, $6.99 at Marshall's. So it's a set of 4, right? And now I can make a bunch of them, like using my Glowforge. It's so convenient and so easy to use. So I'm going to be using that tool, the trace, right? And I'm going to be showing you step by step how do I make these coasters. So cool. Look who came to say hi.
Hi.
You're going to say hi to everyone?
Yeah.
Yeah? Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys. Pineapple.
A pineapple, do you like it?
Yeah.
Show everybody that it's so cute, right?
Mommy,
What?
we need to go to this. The pineapple.
Guys, these are perfect for Valentine's Day. You can add here the initials or you can add a quote. In my case, I'm going to be adding a different quote to each coaster. So with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so since I don't have a file that has a pineapple, or I'm still not able to like figure it out, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna trace this pineapple that I have to make the coasters. So I'm gonna show you now step by step how to trace it, okay? So you place a pineapple into the Glowforge, right? Try to place it under the camera. And then we hit the trace option here. So it's going to tell you to drag square around the artwork. It means around whatever we have here. In this case, we have a pineapple. So we're going to trace it. I have to do it a little bit bigger. If you do this, you just have to go back. Hit back and do it again. Okay, so I have my pineapple. And you try to click the white areas because you don't want that, right? You want to cut, cut, cut. And then you place artwork. You see? Now you have the pineapple. If you place the material, you're able to cut the pineapple. Okay, so here you don't need to engrave anything, so you just ignore this. And this is cut. So it is cut already. Okay, and then you select your material here. So once I have my pineapple already cut, it's already cut, so I'm gonna place this recipe for friendship here because this is gonna be a Valentine's Day gift, right? So I'm just gonna try to put it in the middle. Let me see if I can twist it a little bit. I think it's kind of... And I'm going to proceed to engrave this now. So our design is ready. Super duper cute. So I'm gonna be doing 3 more of these, but I'm gonna add something different here. This is so cute. This is a very good option for Valentine's, guys. So true, right? The recipe for friendship. Love this. So I'm going to engrave the last one. This is, well, not engrave. I'm gonna cut and then I'm going to engrave the 4 coasters, okay? So let the magic begin. Our coasters are ready. So now they're ready, right? So once, so cute. So what I do now is I add a little bit of mineral oil to each stem, and then tomorrow I proceed to wash them. Okay? So cute.